Hello friends, today we have a 2007 Mercedes-Benz B200, and we are going to replace this master window switch because that has been broken, so we have to replace that. To replace it, we're gonna remove that cover because there's a screw behind it which we have to remove it. We're also gonna remove this part, and then we have to remove this clip, and then we will remove the trim out, and then we'll see how it goes. So first we're gonna remove that. Better use plastic trim tool. It comes out. After that, we're gonna remove this part. That comes off. Now there should be two Torx 20 screws which we have to remove. Maybe not, maybe they are T30. These are two Torx 30 screws. They should not be that tight, but somehow they are.
How is it torqued so much?
I have no idea. But they're not supposed to be that tight. T30. One. That. That. Be careful when you remove that. There's that small groove That's a locking clip, so you just have to press it with the small flat screwdriver and then pull it. Otherwise, if you don't do that and you just kind of remove it, you might break it. So just like slowly remove that. Now we're gonna remove this one. Just slide it up a little bit and then it comes off. So there are these two coverings, they just slide on top of these two knobs. Okay, now we go bottom and remove the trim. Just follow that. Okay, and now slowly just move it up like that.
Nice. I hold it.
Okay, pause it. And the master window switch. This is the electrical plug. You pinch it and then you remove it. And now there's one screw. Let's see it. T30 again. Maybe it's T20. Yeah. Okay. But okay, yeah. So we have to use that Allen key because like that was kind of a knot. I was not able to put it straight. So this one, you get some space to open it. And this is the Torx 20 screw. Yeah, so just remove that. so this is broken,
Oh, okay.
right? So that's why it's not coming here. It comes here, right? Like that. Should come out when you remove that. Like that. So this one is out. Now we have to put the new one back. Same way.
Moment of truth.
That's it. Now we're gonna put this back. Okay, so now we're just gonna put the connector back in. Okay, you hear the click, so it means it's in. So now, before putting it back, we should just check like if this is working. I'm just gonna put the key on. And okay. Everything seems to be working. Okay, so turn the key off. And now we have to put that lower connector back in. It came out from here. Okay, that's in, the light is on.
This one.
Yeah. So now bring it on top of it. Let me see.
It's gone inside. Give us. Okay. Do you see it?
Wait. Okay. Yep, the groove is aligned. So first of all, we're going to put that back in. Right. That's it.